Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and today we're going to tell you 5 things you should know before picking up the Sony A8F OLED TV. Now the first thing is that the TV supports both Dolby Vision and HDR10. So if you go into the picture settings, it will show you the content being played. You can play Netflix and Prime Video content in 4K and HDR from the comfort of the apps installed on the TV, and the TV runs on the Android TV OS. So essentially, if you have a lot of Dolby Vision and HDR content, you can enjoy that on this TV. The second thing is that the entire screen itself is the speaker. Yes, that's right. Sony has a technology called the Acoustic Surface, which makes the entire TV the speaker. It has 2 actuators at the back that vibrate the display to produce the sound. The TV also has a subwoofer at the back to add the extra thump. The third thing to know is that if you are finicky about cable management or having cables visible, then the Sony A8F has a set of panels at the back that will help you route all the cables neatly for a tangle-free, tidy setup. The fourth thing is that the panel on the A8F is the same as the one that we saw on the A1. In fact, the panel, speakers, and all the technology inside the TV is the same apart from the stand. So if you already have the A1, you don't need to upgrade. Just because the tech is the same as last year doesn't mean that the TV's performance isn't great. It's still a treat to watch movies and play games on this TV. And last but not least is of course the stand. Now the stand of the TV has a really small footprint, ensuring it fits well on a small tabletop. So if you're someone that has a small entertainment center and you want to put a TV on it rather than wall mounting it, the Sony A8F should fit your bill. The stand of the TV has a minimalistic design and shouldn't get in the way of your entertainment experience. So there you have it, guys. That was a quick look at 5 things you need to know about the Sony A8F. As always, you can let us know what you thought of this video in the comment section below. For more videos like this one, you can subscribe to our channel, and for all things related to TV, you can stay tuned to Digit.in.